you ever struggle at all with your daily schedule? Do you wonder how you could set it up to be a little bit more effective and make sure you get everything done? Fred Johnson today coming at you with some tech tips, how to use ChatGPT in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel to help you create that daily schedule that you need. So for this, we're going to need to have two websites open. First thing we're going to do is we're going to open chat.openai.com so that we have access to ChatGPT, free account. And I'm going to open up another tab by pressing Control-T. And I'm going to go to Sheets.new to give me a brand new blank spreadsheet. If you prefer Excel, you could also do Excel.new, and that will open up a new spreadsheet for you. I'm going to go back to ChatGPT, and I'm going to explain to ChatGPT what I'm trying to do. So I'm going to let it know that I need some help creating my daily work schedule. I work from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Of course, adjust those times based on your needs, Monday through Friday. And I like to split my day into 30-minute increments. The more specific you can be with ChatGPT, the better. So I'm not going to start it yet. Go ahead and add. Please create a 2-column table. Column 1 is the time frame, and column 2 is the task. And then I'm going to tell it to leave the tasks blank for now, or it might try to guess what those tasks are. Now I'm going to ask it to start creating. Boom, it creates my table for me with a blank area for my task. Here's what I don't want to do. I don't want to copy this and try and paste it into my spreadsheet because it's going to be pretty messy. What I do want to do is select, starting with time for time frame, and select just the table, give it a Control-C or right-click copy, and then come in here and right-click paste special, values only, and now it's going to make this into a nice table for me. I always like to add columns, and now I can go ahead and start filling this in for my needs. Maybe I need a little bit more help, and I've got some tasks I want it to help fill in for me. So please add the following tasks into the task column. Leave the rest of the cells blank. And then it will go ahead and start creating this for me. Now, this was a very simple, very short, very quick version of creating a schedule, but you can get really complex really quick with this. And of course, once you get it into Google Sheets, you can really do whatever you want with it. I found research shows that it works best to do 25 minutes of work, take a 5 minutes break, 25 minutes of work, 5-minute break. So you can build this into your schedule. This is one way to use ChatGPT to make yourself more effective. Hope this is helpful for you. Have an awesome rest of your day.